The next thing to do would be to create dimensions on the part. So if I stack dimension this, I can grab this line and this parallel line and this parallel line, and it stacked dimensions them for me. I can grab, you got to click a location to keep it. After you click a location to keep it, then you can move it. But what I don't like is on the drawing, when I stack dimension, it keeps them linked. It will move them around where I want. Here, I got to do this, okay? Again, what I did was I used stack dimension instead of just doing one dimension at a time. I went ahead and stacked dimension, and just for kicks, let's try and grab the bottom face to the top face, and then this face over here. Oh, I forgot how to set this. But what happens is if I don't grab the line, see how it's kind of offset like that, which technically nothing's wrong. Because if I go to view and I hit the front view, the shop goes to the front view, they're going to see these dimensions. Okay? That's all they're going to see. Now, personally, oh, I didn't click for the B, did I? Dang it. Let's pop back into the ISO view. I don't like the last dimensions I created, so you can see it keeps a list of all the dimensions I did. I'm just gonna, maybe I'm not. My computer's really slow. I'm gonna try and delete those. And first thing I'm gonna do is reestablish datum B. So I go to the annotation tab. I find this datum here, and I select this face, and that's datum B. I select OK. All right. I gotta make sure to hit OK. I could have sworn I had that. So datum A and B is there. And then I'm going to stack dimension, and this time I'm going to grab the bottom edge. The datum is really the entire face on the bottom, but to get the dimensions to line up pretty, I'm going to use these edges here. And then I'd love to be able to just grab this and move it out. But I got to just click a location and then grab and move it. And then I would love it if this one would follow. I'm not impressed how that works. So again, it might be easier for you to go to the view and hit the front view. Oh, I got to remember how to switch that. There was a way to make these dimensions horizontal. I can't remember right offhand what they are, but there also need to be numDync. So I'm going to highlight everything in the front view, right click on one of them and go to properties. And I'm looking for my ability to, what the heck? The values. You got to find the value tab. It's buried in there, of course. And then you can numDync them all like we've done on the drawings. Select OK. And now I have it in metric. Sorry, now I have it in inches. All right. I just did that to show you how to do them. We do more of this in the drafting class. It's good practice for you to do it because in the new world, we're not supposed to do drawings. We're supposed to be doing it like this. I know Tool Design is starting to do it this way at Boeing, and there are a few other companies that have been asking me to teach this so that they know this already. So in lieu of doing a drawing, normally you would do this, but we're going to do both because I don't know where you're going to go and what you're going to do. If you don't get every single dimension right now, that's okay. I'm just going to be happy if you can figure out how to get it to work. If you want to put in all the dimensions, great. If you want to just give me your overall length, width, and height dimension, for now, I'm good with that. Okay, so that's how you establish all the dimensions and the datum on the front view.